The Larson Electronics power distribution fuse disconnect switch is designed for reliable, safe, and convenient power distribution at industrial work sites. Designed for wall mounting installations, this disconnect switch is protected by three 450 amp Class J time delay fuses and a NEMA 3R rated steel enclosure with a ventilated design. The dead front fuse disconnect switch features a locking door. The door provides access to a permanently attached operating handle which is used for manually disconnecting or connecting power. Fast-acting fuses are tripped immediately upon sensing an overcurrent or short circuit in the line. They are ideal for electronics, components, or systems that cannot withstand sudden changes in current. This switchgear is suitable for indoor and outdoor use and applications including construction sites, plant maintenance, plant turnarounds, and more. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.